Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial on the ZSK T8 controller. This tutorial we're going to talk about how to lower and raise the needle without sewing. So on the right hand side here on my main screen I do have a needle with an arrow pointing up and a needle with an arrow pointing down. The needle with the arrow pointing down, if I press that, the needle will come down. Now make sure you do have the head on or the switch is in the upright position. The light is red, otherwise the head is turned off and the needle will not go down. If I press it again, it will go down even further. So as I keep pressing this, it will go down in smaller increments, and you can see that it will go down even a little bit into the fabric. And as I keep pressing, there will be a point where I can't go any further down. Now be aware of this. When you do have it down, make sure and look, see if you do have your needle in there. You do not want to move the pantograph while it's down in the all the way down position for fear of breaking something. We can also move this needle back up by clicking on the needle with the arrow pointing up, and this will go up an increment at a time. If you'd like to bring it up just in one button, you can press the shift key with the needle up and it will go all the way up. Times that I like to use this is when I want to make sure that I'm lined properly with the origin point of my design, making sure that when I trace, it's not going to hit the hoop or anything like that. But again, be careful with the needle bar down because if you do move the pantograph and you hit a hoop, it could really damage the machine. So always be careful when you do that. Thanks for watching.